Okay, so today's assignment is called Popcorn Picker Volume. And under the instructions, it says to click the following link to find the Popcorn Picker website and log in as guest. It may or may not have you log in. So if it takes you here, then you're at the right spot. You should be at page 1 of 4. You must answer all questions here on the document and not on the website. On the website, it will not save your work. So if you put something here, like an answer, it will not save. I know it says save, but you'd have to have an account. So you don't want to put it here. You want to put it in each box that matches. So I have labeled each page, and the name of the page is right here, page 1. Watch this. So you'll read through page 1 and you'll watch the video. Make sure you read what it says first. And then the questions are on there as well. You can go back here. I put all the words. I just couldn't insert the video here. So you'll want to make sure you watch the video. And then once you've answered the questions for this first part in here, you'll type them in this box. Then you'll go to page 2. You can do that up in the right corner here, clicking page 2. And then here's the page 2 information. I did put the photo, and I put another photo to remind you of the parts of a cylinder. And then here's where you're supposed to enter your calculations, and it says the dimensions of a cylinder, but it doesn't give you the radius, it gives you the circumference. And so I took some time to show you the calculations to go for each cylinder, right? This is cylinder A, this is cylinder B. I took some time to take the formula for circumference, which is 2 times pi times r, and set it equal to the circumference that's given. So in this one it's 11, and this one it's 8.5. And so then you could actually solve it kind of like a one-step equation because you know the value of pi. So this becomes 2 times 3.14, which is 6.28, r equals 11. So then you just divide both sides by 6.28 and you get your value of r. So I've done that for you, and you can just use this value of r for cylinder A and this value of r for cylinder B. And then you're going to actually fill in these 2 boxes here. So with the volume of the cylinder, volume for A is h pi r squared, same thing B, h pi r squared. So you're going to use the value of r here. The h comes in the photo. So for cylinder A, h is 8.5. For cylinder B, h is 11. That's the height, right? H means height. Height from photo. I'll even put that in. Fix that here. Height. H from the photo. So you'll use that. And then 3.14 you're going to use for pi in our example here. So then you can plug in 3.14 h, which in this one it's 8.5, and our radius is 1.75. And you're going to square that on a calculator, which I showed you yesterday. I'll show you again. So you open up a calculator tab, and you type in the radius, and you're going to click the exponent button. To the second power is 3.0625, and then multiply that by the height and pi. And then that is the volume, would be the volume for each cylinder. Then you'll go to the next page, and you'll click check your answers. You'll watch the video to see what happened, and then see if your calculations matched, and answer the question and some observations here. So you're going to do that, and then there are some follow-up questions. It's not page 4 because page 4 doesn't have anything. So once you get to here, you'll go back and answer these follow-up questions, read them carefully, and take some time to think about them. Maybe write 1 to 2 sentences per question. I think I'll even put this here. Write 1 to 2 sentences per question below. So that is this assignment. There you go.